Open Sesame for Windows is a new software that allows people who cannot use their hands the ability to control their computer with head movements. To download the software, visit Sesame Enabled's website. You can try the software for a limited period of time for free to see if it fits your needs prior to buying the lifetime license. Open Sesame can also be used on Android tablets. Additional specialized devices are not needed to run the software since Open Sesame uses the built-in or added webcam to track your head movements. You will be prompted to look at the screen when Open Sesame starts up. This allows the software to learn your face and movements. Now you are ready to navigate using your head. To click, you can simply hold your head still, dwell on the icon that you would like to choose, and wait for the circle of options, otherwise known as the click menu, to pop up. If you use a switch or can isolate the space bar, you can change the click function to respond to those input methods as well. Open Sesame can be customized to your specific needs with additional options and features which are available in the Settings menu.
To learn more about the technology we have in our learning library, check out our website at techowlpa.org. If you like this video and want to see more, please hit the subscribe button and follow us on social media. Links in the description below.